Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I will share a video that is probably interesting for a lot of you out there wondering exactly what is being shared by Microsoft in the telemetry. One of the things that we get very often on the telemetry is the fact that we're wondering, what exactly is it doing when it's sending out data and so on. A interesting video by Wireshark that is actually looking at where a brand new computer tries to connect when you actually have Windows 11 and you actually start it off for the first time. And of course, there's a lot of going on. A lot of people are talking about the telemetry, saying that it's because Microsoft is snooping on you, sending that to governments and so on. What that video really shows is that there's none of that going on. What's going on really is advertising purpose, like pretty much everything, like Google, like, other companies. The main snooping going on about what's happening and where you're connecting is really, really for advertising purposes, making money. And that is what I've always thought and what is happening. That's the only reason for telemetry to go on, apart from the ones that connect to Microsoft servers for the purpose of diagnostics of your Windows operating system, making sure you're compatible, for example, with the next version and so on. So when you look at the telemetry, the video is going to show you everything. And of course, all of that is something that I think is going to be very interesting for a lot of you. It also compares the amount of data being sent out by all of the different telemetry and the ad experience for Microsoft, and compares it to Windows XP, which of course didn't send a lot of data because it had an online activation service, but Microsoft was not, using Windows XP much as a advertising media. Windows 10, Windows 11, it's more of a let's try to have ads everywhere, which is sad because it kind of, puts, I find that the operating system is less serious, less professional if you try to push ads within the system, especially within Windows itself, So anyways, I'm going to share the video, which is kind of interesting. And I think a lot of you will probably find that very, very interesting to watch. So the link to this particular video is going to be here. It is Has Windows Become Spyware? And check it out, and you'll see that almost everything that it connects to has a lot to do, mostly with simply advertising, which is kind of interesting. So check it out. Interesting video by Wireshark that checks out all the connections, where they go. Every time it connects to a server, it will tell you what server it connects to. But one of the things that it does show is that Windows does connect to a lot of different services, even right out of the box when you actually start your new Windows 11 machine. And I would say what's sad about it is not necessarily that it does that. What's sad about it is that from the start, from when you unbox your new machine, there's nothing that's telling you that we're going to connect to these services. And I think if there is one thing, it should say from the start, from the first power on, that Microsoft Windows 11 is going to connect to different services for telemetry, for whatever, right from the start, to let you know it's going to do online stuff, where here it's doing online stuff. And if it wasn't for a video like this, or that people talk about it, you don't really, they're not told that you're connecting to ad servers, and you're not told that everywhere that it's going. So check it out. Kind of an interesting video here from this website, PC Security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.